Hey everyone, my name is Charlie, and today I'll be showing you how to use WinSCP to turn in your assignments on the school Linux server. To get started, we have to download WinSCP from the official site, winscp.net. You're going to want to click download now, and then download WinSCP. This will automatically download the .exe, which you should then run. In the .exe, you're going to want to accept the license agreement, and then for you, you should see something saying typical installation recommended. Simply select that and click next. It'll bring you to this user interface style screen in which you should select Commander if you want to follow along with this guide. There's nothing wrong with Explorer, but I will only be covering how to use the Commander interface style in this guide. So you're going to want to click next. It should show you everything you're going to install, and you're going to click install. Now, I'm not going to do this as I already have it installed on my computer. This is what your folder should look like where you installed it, and you're going to want to run winscp.exe. As you can see, you'll immediately be prompted with a login screen. On the login screen, you're going to want to type in grail.eecs.csuohio.edu into the host name section. So if I create a new one, I can go ahead and do that. Now, Grail is exclusively used to turn in assignments. You cannot run any assignments on Grail. You also cannot turn in assignments on any other server, so you need to connect to Grail to do it. If you want to test your assignment, you can instead use Spirit, but I will only be showing you guys how to turn in an assignment, so we will be using Grail. Now you're going to want to input your username. The default username will be the first two letters of your first name, followed by the first six letters of your last name. If you have a popular name that other people have in the school, or a name that's too short to follow this format, then your username will be different. You should have gotten an email with what your username is, and if you didn't get one or you can't find it, you can ask your professor and they'll tell you. As for the password, your password defaults to your student ID followed by the first letter of your last name capitalized. Now, once you get in, you're going to want to look up how to change your password, as having it be the default means that anyone who knows your student ID will know your password automatically. This can cause a lot of security concerns and potential cheating issues if you keep it like this. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my different password, and then we're going to click login. You can also click save, and then it'll save it, and it'll pop up like it did when I opened it, where you don't have to type in Grail or the username. Now that you're in the server, we can see on the right side that this is the server and the left side is our desktop. You can drag your file that you wish to upload to the server into the right column from anywhere on your computer, and it automatically uploads it like so. This is very convenient as it means you can store your file anywhere and get it to the server no matter what. Now to actually turn your file in, you're going to want to be in the directory that your file is in. In our case, it's right here, so we're already there. And you're going to want to click Open Terminal. It'll ask you if you want to open a separate shell session, and you want to click OK. Now that you're in the console, all you have to do is in the Enter Command section, type in the turn-in command for your specific assignment. This is different for every assignment and should be specified in the assignment instructions. If it's not, you can ask your instructor for what it should be. In my case, for the example file, I type in turnin -c and then the class that the file is for, -p, then the assignment that the file is for, and then finally the file name. After you type in the correct turn-in, you want to click execute, and you should see your files have been submitted to class, assignment for grading. And that is how you know that you turned it in correctly. While WinSCP is a great way to do this and is pretty simple, I still do recommend MobaXterm over this for being even simpler and having a nicer looking graphical interface. However, this is a completely valid method and will get it turned in just the same as any other. Hopefully this video will help you getting your assignments turned in on time, and I thank you for watching.